Welcome to the new dashboard of Taplio. We are super proud of it, so let me introduce you to all the widgets you have in front of you. So the top part of the screen gives you at a glance the metrics you should be following. Your number of followers, your profile views, and your weekly impressions, with the trend compared to the last 7 days. Now, if you want to go more in depth, you just have to click on it and you will be redirected to the analytics part of Taplio. Then, we have the post ideas for you. We push you a list of ideas right on the dashboard that you can start from. So clicking on generate post, we will generate a post based on this idea, which is associated with your profile. And in less than 5 minutes, you would have a post ready to be published. You can click there and get even more ideas. Then we have the high-performing creators. We give you at a glance a list of creators you should be leveraging by finding their viral content and repurposing their posts. Clicking on new creators, we would push even more creators. And if you click on the widget, you would be accessing all the varied posts from this creator. Then, if you want to go more in depth with Taplio, you can access the Taplio Academy clicking on this widget. We also have the weekly schedule widget, which gives you the status of your weekly schedule. For example, here, my weekly schedule is empty, so I should definitely be working on my next post to schedule it so that I have at least one post schedule for the next 7 days. Clicking on Start Now, I will be redirected to the weekly schedule. Last but not least, let me show you the Engagement Hub. You have 3 parts in this Engagement Hub. First of all is your weekly progress. You should be leaving 20 comments a week. That's the bare minimum. So this progress bar here shows you where you're at during the week. Then we have the posts to engage with. Essentially, it's a list of posts that are starting getting viral from super cool creators. So if you click on any of those, you will be redirected to the engagement feeds to start engaging with those creators. Lastly, we show you the replies needed on your posts, so you make sure you don't forget anyone and you have replied to every comments on your posts. If you don't want to reply to them, you just have to skip them in the engagement feeds and they won't be appearing on the dashboard anymore. And that's it for the presentation of the dashboard. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. Bye-bye.